But of course, we have earnings season, which is back. IT bellwether TCS will be reporting its first quarter earnings later today. Reema is joining us now with what the street is expecting. Reema.
Thanks so much for that. So expect about a 1.5% revenue growth. In dollar terms, 1.3%. In constant currency terms, a revenue growth of 1.5% as the BSNL deal continues to ramp up. The growth in the quarter, though, will be higher than what we've seen over the last 5 quarters. Margins are likely to remain under pressure because TCS has given a wage hike to all its employees effective 1st of April. So the full quarter impact of that will be visible, and margins, according to our poll, should be down 150 basis points. Typically, a wage hike impact hurts your margins by 200 basis points, but there was a little bit of a currency depreciation of nearly 0.5% plus some productivity benefits, and that's the reason why the margin decline could be limited to 150 basis points, and that will drive about a 4% drop in the company's profitability. I think what the street is going to track is not so much in terms of the numbers of Q1, but the commentary and whether the street gets the confidence that things are picking up in the second half of the year. In FY24, the constant currency revenue growth for the company was about 3.4%. The company last quarter guided that growth will be better this year, FY25 compared to FY24. And some of the street estimates are up for you on your screen. They're about 5.5% on an average for FY25, going up to about 8% for FY26. Is there going to be a change in that? I think how growth picks up, the pace and the amplitude of recovery will be tracked very closely. Also, the street is anticipating margins to improve for 2 years, FY25, FY26. Is there going to be any change to that? And of course, generative AI hiring has been very muted. In fact, the company has been bringing down its overall employee base, discretionary demand, etc. These will be trends that we will keenly watch out for.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, Reema, for joining us with what to expect. And of course, also stay tuned to CNBC-TV18. We'll be speaking to the TCS MD and CEO K. Kriti Vasan, CFO Samir Seksaria, and Chief Human Resources Officer Milind Lakkar tomorrow at 9:45 a.m.